Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is how to swap a Subaru engine in a week. I'm sorry it took so long for this video to come out. I have had all this footage for a while. I just haven't edited it and spent the time to post it and everything. It did actually take me like 8 days to swap the Subaru engine. This all started with the first episode. If you want to go back to my channel and watch that, about a wrecked Subaru, I go into all the details about this. And so you watch my other videos on the Subaru series and you'll see how I did this all. This is the final video because this is running and it's all nice and perfect. So this is going to be like a lot of sped up video footage of me dropping in the engine and what it took and everything. We'll just get into that. Hope you guys enjoy. We gotta change this freaking torque converter, flex plate, and the flywheel. We gotta swap those over real quick. Alrighty. I'm so sorry for not filming most of this because I was just kind of in my own head, jamming the music, freaking put it all back together. All the lines are connected. I've got fuel, I've got vacuum, I've got coolant lines hooked up, I've got the radiator back in, I've got air all plumbed up, a PCV, power steering, and all the wires hooked up. I've got the big old plug-in, I've got ground, starter, everything. So, I'm freaking tired. I'm gonna go have some food, and then we're gonna put fluids in this thing. I'm gonna do some research how much we gotta put in, and then I gotta fill it up with power steering, coolant, oil, put the hood on, and drive this sucker out of here. I am so freaking tired of looking at this piece of junk, so we're gonna get to that. Ah, yeah! Here we are back in the Subaru Impreza. So that squeal you heard was the power steering pump. We didn't know that it took a little bit to get the fluid going. So that was what that was. Squeal is that it was just empty of fluid, didn't have anything in it. So it was squealing really bad. It's all good and perfect, baby. Went from 165,000 miles to about 150,000 miles. I think that was what was on the donor engine. No check engine lights, no airbag, no traction control, nothing, baby. 5-speed. Freaking driving like a Civic. Anyways, thank you guys if you can see me in the mirror. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole series. Please go check out my other videos. I've got some more garage update videos coming soon. But please go watch the rest of these Subaru videos. They're freaking good, I think. If not, let me know. Whatever. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!